So a cross single crochet is what you're going to see a lot of amigurumi patterns using. This stitch is where you do yarn unders instead of yarn overs. So yarn under, we're just going to place the hook over the yarn to where the yarn is under the hook. Pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn under hook, pull through 2 loops. That is 1 cross single crochet complete. So once again, yarn under hook, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn under hook, pull through 2. Now this stitch, or the way that we're doing the single crochet, tends to get a little tighter. So this is why this is used in a lot of amigurumi. So basically you can substitute this stitch whenever you are just using a regular single crochet, and it'll produce a different looking fabric, a more dense fabric. Also, this stitch is better suited to working in the round because then you can see the pattern or the crossed pattern forming. Here are some examples of different single crochets to compare it to the cross single crochet. So as you can see here, this one is worked in the round, and if we really get in there, you can see the difference between the cross single crochet and a regular single crochet. So as you can see, the cross single crochet stacks more neatly on top of each other, and you can clearly see the stitches. So they look like little X's almost. And these up here are just regular single crochets worked with the yarn over rather than the yarn under. And as you can see, they look a little different, so they don't have that really defined stitch. So this stitch here, the crossed single crochet, actually looks better and works better in the round. We'll get into working in rounds in the next video. So as you can see, this is worked in rows. To my eye, it doesn't look much different than a regular single crochet, but you can kind of see the difference. It is a little more dense, it's a little heavier looking, and the stitches just look a little more defined. So, I mean, this is just another way of doing it. It just makes it look more dense, this one's actually made with a different gauge, but these are regular single crochets. So hopefully you can kind of see the difference. So that is the cross single crochet, which is really fun, and you'll see this in a lot of amigurumi patterns. I wouldn't say in patterns because a lot of people don't know what this technique is called, and they'll just say yarn under single crochet or something like that, but it's actually called the cross single crochet. So yeah, there you go. I hope this was informative and it encourages you or inspires you to try something different with your single crochets. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!